Hi guys and welcome back to my channel, Delissime. For today's nail tutorial, we are diving into another Born Pretty collection. I am so extremely excited to say that we are finally sponsored by Born Pretty, and I cannot believe it because Born Pretty is one of my top favorite brands, and we made it, you guys, we made it! So for today's tutorial, we are actually going to be diving into some cat eye. I know we took a little bit of a break with the cat eye, so I thought I'd bring her back, and I'm so pumped. But if it is your first time here on the channel, my name is Delissime. I am a licensed nail technician. And if you are into nail art, nail inspo, nail designs, nail tutorials, this channel is the perfect channel for you. I also have a ton of shorts content if you prefer, more of a short tea content. I will leave that here for you guys to check out. I know in my last video, we did the jelly tutorial, the jelly polish tutorial. And if you guys have not seen that video, go ahead and check it out. Go ahead, check it out. Check out the video I posted last week. Like the video too, like this video. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, and I cannot wait. I'm so excited to dive into these polishes. So without further ado, let's dive. Who is excited to see what we've got going on with the Greenlight gel polishes from Born Pretty? I have used a couple of these colors for my clients, but I haven't been able to get them here on the channel. So that's why all the numbers are kind of mixed up. That's why there's like little bits of like dust particles like in the packaging. It's because I've used them a couple times. But this will be the first time that we get to actually see them here on the channel for a full tutorial. So these are all of the things that we will be using for our gel polishes. Of course, you guys already know I love my Kira Sky, so we're gonna go ahead and swatch them up with the base coat. And like I always say, I have no idea where these little fuzzies come from, but it must be from my cat because I'm always holding her and I'm always picking her up. So that literally must be where they're coming from. But we are going to be diving right into our very first color. This will be Greenlight Cat Eye #1. This one is giving almost like a pink pearl, almost like shimmer type of feel. The consistency is nice and thick. Not like so thick to where I'm not able to like swatch it on because like look how beautifully that applies. The consistency is like just thick enough. So I'm grabbing just another small bead, making sure that our first coat is nice and even. I'm already loving the way that this is turning out. So I can't imagine how much beautiful this will be once we get our cat eye. Now, I am curing these for about 60 seconds each time I am done applying the polish and making sure that you are reading the manufacturer instructions because some cure times may be longer or some cure times might be shorter. So just making sure that you are properly taking the time and reading all the instructions, making sure that the cure is perfect. So now we are diving in with our cat eye magnet. I thought that I would do the crescent moon since I feel like that would best display how stunning the cat eye turned out. But this is our #1 looking beautiful, stunning cat eye. I have to tell you guys the funniest story. So, yesterday, as I was doing one of my clients' nails, Miss Joan, I normally go to Miss Joan, like I pack up my kit, I make sure that I have absolutely everything that I need. And we are in the middle of our nail session. and we are like just about ready to get into the filling portion. And I am looking all over, and my face must have said it all because Miss Joan looks at me and she's like, "What are you missing? What are you missing?" And I'm sitting there silent because I just can't believe that I completely forgot to pack my acrylic powder. Okay. It's like the whole point of getting your nails done is the acrylic powder. I brought the monomer. I also didn't bring my brush. Okay. To do the fills. So I'm over here just trying not to freak out. I'm over here like, I gotta go to the store and buy a couple things because I don't know if we're about to get this filling. But luckily, Miss Joan is my hero. She actually had acrylic powder. She had an acrylic brush that I was gonna make work. And if we had to pull out our painting brushes, we were gonna do that. She had glue, she had everything that I could possibly need to fill her set. But I am so thankful for Miss Jones. She is a ride or die. We love her here on the channel. Hopefully, you guys saw some of the shorts that I posted because she did get herself a fresh set. Okay. So, thank you, Miss Joan. You are the best. I would not have been able to finish your nails without your help. Everybody, let's give Miss Joan a shout out in the comments. Thank you, Miss Joan, for always, always, always being prepared. Let's go ahead and get back into these polishes. So we are on number three. And it's so funny. I'm swatching these and I like keep looking back at like number one and number two. And I'm like, are these the same color? Like they are so just like a hint, like slightly different. And they all are stunning. When I show you all of them towards the end of the video, you can see the different colors. But number three is gorgeous. She is giving pink pop. Number three. Yes. As we move into our number four, this one is giving like lovely lavender. It's just like a kiss or like a hint of purple. And I feel like my mom would absolutely love this color. Now, you guys already know here on the channel, I always like to swatch these colors naked, right? I feel like that one video where I did the base coat underneath like all of the cat eyes, it was beautiful and it was nice. And I definitely recommend to put like a nice base coat if you're looking for that cat eye to really pop. I feel like this one is nice, is good. I feel like all of them have that nice kind of like shimmery type of feel. And I myself would definitely put this on top of some kind of base coat, whether it was white or black, or maybe even like a light purple to really make these colors pop. But I'm not going to lie. Once we hit it with that cat eye, it does what it needs to do and it looks so good. Like do we need a base coat? Or if you're looking for more of like a transparent type of vibe for like your nail art, this collection is absolutely perfect. For the next color, we are going to be trying number five. Number five is giving frozen. Like, let it go, let it go. Something, something, snow. I've never watched the movie. I don't know. Okay. But I feel like she would wear this color, or at least like Cinderella would wear this color. It's literally the same color as her dress. It's so pretty. It's almost giving like icicle. Like this will be like absolutely perfect for like winter sets. This is definitely giving a winter kind of vibe. And I thought this was a nice color to add for the collection. I felt like the first like three or four colors were giving very much neutral And this one gives like a nice little splash of like, hey, I'm here and I'm a cat eye too. So I'm glad they added this lovely blue. We are about ready to kiss it with the magnet. And it is so nice, you guys. It's so nice. I love like how like clear and defined that line is. It is so pretty. You guys already know what I'm about to ask. Let me know which one's your favorite down in the comments. Of course, they had to add this nice green. I feel like this one is giving like poison ivy. Oh, yes, I was obsessed with poison ivy. She was such a baddie. I feel like whenever I see any type of green, I'm always like, it's my favorite. You guys, green's my favorite. It's my birthstone. And I'd have to say that I would have to agree. The green and the blue, stunning. I'm definitely very, very happy. I'm definitely excited to show my clients this set because I feel like whenever I tell them I have new polishes, they're like, what do we have to see today? So I'm so pumped. I'm pretty sure I used this one on Miss Joan maybe like a couple weeks ago. And if you guys see my shorts, you guys probably have seen it. I think we added like some butterflies and stuff on it. But yeah, it's definitely giving green goddess, beautiful, stunning set. I'm very, very happy and very ecstatic with how all of these turned out. Here we have all of these beautiful colors side by side. And my favorite part is topping them off with the Kiara Sky. As I was laying them all down next to each other, I can easily tell that they are all different colors. Yes, I know earlier I had mentioned I was like the first three look really similar, but when they're side by side, I can see that there is one that is like a light pink and then like a light gold. And then the third one is kind of like a light pinky kind of gold. But we are going to go through and we are going to top coat all of them. And at the very end, see them in all of their glory. And I'm going to label them all up so that when I have my clients sitting in the chair, we can tell and determine which polish comes from which collection because I will tell you right now, over the years, I have ordered so many different types of polishes, and being able to keep them all organized is definitely something that I'm trying to get used to. So, we're going to go through, top coat all these little bitties. I am so happy I have finally had an opportunity to get these nail polishes swatched up. They look absolutely stunning, and I'm so happy with the way that they turned out. I am just trying to grab all the little bits and pieces of these little lint that is flying around. You guys help me with this lint. But we are adding them to our key ring and just being able to check them all out. I am so excited to hear which one your favorite color is. And let me know if there are any brands out there that you guys want me to try, if there are any specific colors that you haven't seen me review here on the channel. I am so open and I am so willing to do nail tutorials, nail reviews, and try out all these polishes so you guys don't have to. What did you guys think of all of these colors? I know I always ask you all the time, which one's your favorite color? Which one do you see yourself wearing? But honestly, if you're asking me, if you're asking me, I see myself wearing every single color. And I am so excited that I got to share all of these beautiful sites with you guys. So thank you so much for taking the time to watch the video. If you made it to the end of the video, go ahead and leave your girl a green heart down in the comments, a green heart for all my subscribers that made it to the very end. Don't forget, I have a ton of shorts content. If you guys want to follow me, on my day-to-day, I will also leave my Instagram down below because I do post on my stories quite a bit. So if you guys just want to see what I do on my day-to-day, don't forget to follow me there. And I am gonna bring this video to a close. You guys are amazing. I appreciate you so much, and I would not be here without you. So don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, share this to someone that might be interested in nail art videos, and we will catch you for another one soon. Bye.
Oh, I wanted you subscribe. Oh, I wanted you. You got me in my feelings. Can't fight the way I feel. You got me in my feelings.